Yes, my name is Tom Inglis, and I had A1 foundation repair uh, do my foundation work. I found them through Angie's List, and after all the bad things I had heard about what could happen during this work, I was very pleasantly surprised with A1. They did a great job and were very proactive, did what they said they were going to do when they said they were going to do it at what I consider to be a very reasonable price, and I would certainly recommend them to anyone else who is in need of foundation repair.